I will show you guys how to beat Arcapex in the quickest way. This is my adventure suit. This is my Evo months, but I'm gonna use third lord only. This is my skill set, the items, nature, trait, and talent. Now, for the main course, I'm gonna show you how to fight this guy. Just to make sure guys that the weather is not thunderstorm or it will be hard to fight Arcapex. First, use seed bomb. Then use bop move, rally or hone 2, but I prefer you guys use hone 2, so it it will be fast to make it plus 30 or plus 300% in attack. I don't have hone 2, so that's why I'm using rally. I'm just gonna spam the rally move until it plus 30 the attack. Then use earth pulse. Then the ultimate. When it's regaining the points in ultimate, use seed bomb. Then if you see on the ultimate it's 6/8, use earth pulse so that in the next round it will buff the ultimate and you can use it. and and just from the start do it again, like use just the seed bomb and then the earth pulse before ultimate. Just loop. It's this is the quickest way to defeat Arcus. This is the quickest way to defeat Arcapex. That's it for now guys. Bye.